Oh, okay, this is an update video. These are all of the restraints that I've picked up over the past couple of months since my last video. Starting over here, we have a German Banawe cuff. We have two Chubb detainers, a Chubb Escort, French Lepeggy, and these are German police cuffs. Over here we have Palmer's, followed by a Judd, and the Tower Detective, and a Gons cuff, and we have the Safe Lock Model 4, and an Irish 8. That's a Peerless Model 300, a Peerless Model 400. I have a Peerless Model 500 on the way. These are Japanese Bitco. This is a JP, made in Japan. These cuffs are Japanese. They say Koda Manchu Patent 913. A lot of design on them. Here we have a Gill Flash Action thumb cuff. Then I have this chain come along, some type of European manufacturer. I'm not sure what country it comes from. Then over here we have a Harrington and Richards version of the bean leg iron. Then we have a Providence Tool leg iron, and followed by a Balco leg iron. Let me go swing it over this way so you can get a better view of the leg irons. And that's everything.